Good morning, Bridge City High School. My name is Jay Johnson. Today is November the 6th, 2014, and this is BCTV.
Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard.
Work.
There's a Strutter garage sale Saturday, November 8th, 8 a.m. to noon at Winfrey Baptist Church. So hope to see you there.
I'm Drake Davis. This is welding class. It's about learning how to weld. We cook, we weld, and just have fun.
Are there any competitions y'all go to?
Yeah, we have competitions every once in a while. If you're a good welder, you get to go and you weld, and then you can win stuff and get job applications and stuff. Well, today's Halloween, and we're eating.
My name is Coach Mallett, and I teach welding and manufacturing. I have Welding 1 and Welding 2. To learn welding and manufacturing, there's safety, there's hand tools, power tools, employability skills. They'll learn basic plate, and then we'll graduate to advanced plate, and then into basic pipe, okay? There is the Southeast Texas ABC welding competition in January. We attended the Texas Rice Festival, and then we also participate in Skills USA, where last year we had 4 state champions in that. Students are able to receive a national certification. It's NCCER, National Center for Construction Education and Research, and with that it's nationally accredited. It's above high school, and that enables a welder or manufacturing person to go out into society, and it has a lot of weight in getting a job. Also too, most of my kids coming out of here make anywhere from low dollar, $12 an hour, all the way up to $19, $21 an hour starting out. So you can make a living here from this class. You just gotta be what we call a champion at work.
I'm Luke Potter, and I'm about to turn and burn.
Hi, my name is Jimmy Kern, and I'm in welding class, and I'm a girl. I seem to get along in here pretty well.
Do they treat you any different?
Yes, I get called championette instead of champion to fit my femaleness. I have a lot of fun. I'm better than a lot of them.
I treat Jimmy just like any one of the other guys. She's one of the boys, so to speak. She's our Amelia Earhart of the welding program. She's got a very good skills. She went to competition, and she's building a project as we speak. Also too, I have Elizabeth Dickerson in manufacturing and fit period, and she's done a heck of a job too. In fact, her drawing was the drawing that we used for our card, and she's done an excellent job so far as well.
Well, I'm throwing mine.